Hi, this video is part of a larger course about getting started with PHP and MySQL. If you'd like to know more, follow the links in the description. Hope you enjoy the video. In this video, we're going to export from our database to a CSV file. Okay, now that we have some records saving to our newsletters table, I guess the question is, what can we do with that data now that we have it saved? So we could use PHP to retrieve that data and display it to a page, but I'm not sure how useful that would be, displaying a list of people that have signed up to our newsletter. Also, it's kind of out of the scope of this tutorial. So what we're going to do is export this to a CSV file, and from there you can open it as a spreadsheet and do whatever you like with that data, or you could maybe upload it to a email marketing service like MailChimp and create a newsletter list. So let's go ahead and look at how we can export this. If you click on the export button along this top navigation, we can ignore this export templates section, doesn't really apply to us. We do want to change the format to CSV, and basically we just hit the go button. And you can see down here that that's downloaded a CSV file, so let's click on that to open it. And here we go. Here are our newsletter signups saved to a CSV file. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, you can ask me on social media. There are links in the description. This video is part of a larger course about getting started with PHP and MySQL. If you'd like to learn more, you can follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching.